Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to log a user out in Keycloak using admin REST API. So let's get started. Now I already have a Keycloak instance running with the help of this command using Docker on my local setup. So if I now go to localhost colon 8080, you should see this Keycloak instance. So I'll just log in with admin as the username and password. Now to use the admin REST API, first we need to create a client because we need to generate an access token. Here you can see that I am directly using the master realm. I'm not creating any other realm. So just go to clients. Here you can click on create client and you can just give it a client ID, say my client. Okay, I'll click on next. I'll enable client authentication. I'll check this direct access grant. I'll click on next again, and here I can directly click on save. Then I can go to credentials. I can just copy this credentials. Then I can go to this API endpoint. Now my API Keycloak instance is hosted on localhost colon 8080. That's why this is what I'm using. But if you have hosted it somewhere else, you'll have to change this. Then /realm, then this should be your realm name. Like I said, I'm using the default master realm, so I don't need to worry about it. Then /protocol openid-connect /token. Then here I can just go to body, and here I will just pass the username and password, which is admin. The grant type is password. Then here client ID is my client, so that's the client which we created right now. And here I'll just paste the client secret which we have just copied and click on send. And here you can see it has created the access token for us. Now this access token needs to be used whenever you are trying to call any Keycloak admin REST API, but do note that this token is only valid for 1 minute. You can change the number, but yeah, I have made a separate video on that, on changing the access token expiry time. So if you are interested, you can watch that. So again, here for this particular API, again I have to use localhost colon 8080 /admin/realms, and this is my realm name. So in this case it is master /users, and what is the user ID? So suppose I only have one user for now, which is admin. So I can just I think get the admin ID, which is this one. It requires a user ID, right? Sorry, so I'm think user ID, I'm not sure if the user ID is equal to this one or is it equal to the username. I'll just use the top one. So I'll just pass the user ID. I'll pass logout. I'll go to headers. Here we have to pass authorization bearer, and here it should be our token. So I need to generate the access token again because it has already expired. I'll just click on send again. Now I can just copy this particular thing and I can just paste it over here. I'll click on send, and here you can see 204 no content. That means the user has logged out. So here you can see if I refresh this skin, I was automatically logged out. So yeah, that's how you can log out a user, because I was logged in as an admin, right, and I logged out the admin user only. That's why I was logged out. So yeah, hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.